Welcome children. Continuation of exercise 8.1. Fourth one, find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 which is equal to 1. Here this is the equation of the ellipse. So it is in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square which is equal to 1. So the major axis is along x-axis. So this is the major axis which is along x-axis, and the vertices are capital A and A dash. So capital A which is in the positive side and A dash which is in the negative side. So A is A comma 0 and A dash is minus A comma 0. And the minor axis is along y-axis. So the vertices are B and B dash. So 0 comma B and 0 comma minus B. Here A square is 16. So A is 4. So B square is 9. So B is plus or minus 3. So here also plus or minus 4. So the vertices A are 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0, and the minor axis vertices are 0 comma 3 and 0 comma minus 3. We have to find the area of the region bounded by the whole ellipse. So if you find any one quadrant which is 4 times of the area of the required ellipse, that is the given ellipse is symmetrical about the axis. So therefore the area of the ellipse which is equal to 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into area of BOAB. So this region. So which is equal to 4 into y dx. So the x coordinates are, here it is origin 0 comma 0 and here it is A which is 4 comma 0. So x comma y coordinates, so 0 to 4. So which is equal to 4 into 0 to 4 y into dx. Here the ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 which is equal to 1. From this we have to find y. So y square by 9 which is equal to 1 minus x square by 16, which is taking LCM 16 minus x square by 16. So y square equal to 9 into 16 minus x square by 16. So y equal to root of 9 by 16 into 16 minus x square, which is equal to 3 by 4 into root of 16 I can write as 4 square minus x square. So y equal to 3 by 4 into root of 4 square minus x square. So area of the ellipse is 4 into integral of 0 to 4 y dx, which is equal to 4 into y is 3 by 4 integral of 0 to 4 4 square minus x square into dx. Here 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So using the integrals of type root of a square minus x square dx, which is equal to x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Here x is x and a is 4. So writing this as 3 into x by 2 root of 4 square minus x square plus a is 4. So a square is 16. So 16 by 2 sine inverse of x by 4, and the limit is from 0 to 4. So which is equal to 3 into upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit is 4. So 4 by 2, 2. So 4 square minus 4 square which is 0. So 0 plus here 2 and 16 will get cancelled which is 8. 8 into sine inverse of x by 4. So plus 8 into sine inverse of x is 4. 4 by 4 is 1 minus lower limit. So lower limit is 0. So this will become 0 plus sine inverse of 0. Sine inverse of 0 is sine inverse of sine 0, which is 0. So this will become 0. So which is equal to 3 into 8 sine inverse of sine pi by 2, which is pi by 2. So 8 into pi by 2, which is equal to, cancelling 8 and 2, we get 4, which is equal to 12 pi square units. So area of the ellipse is 12 pi square units. Fifth question, find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 9, which is equal to 1. So which is in the form of x square by b square plus y square by a square, which is equal to 1. Here this represents the vertical ellipse, that is whose major axis is along y axis and the minor axis is along x axis. Here the vertices are b square is 4. So b is plus or minus 2 and a square is 9, a is plus or minus 3. So here the coordinates are 2, 0 and minus 2, 0, 0, 3 and 0, minus 3. We have to find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. So 4 into area of BO, A, BO. So given ellipse is symmetrical about the axis. So area of the required ellipse is 4 into area of OA, BO. So OA, BO. So which is equal to 4 into integral of the coordinates are 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 y into dx. Here the ellipse is given as x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. We have to find y. So y square by 9, which is equal to 1 minus x square by 4. So taking LCM, we get 4 minus x square by 4. So y square equal to 9 by 4 into 4 minus x square. So y equal to root of 9 by 4 into 4 minus x square, which is equal to 3 by 2 root of, I can write 4 as 2 square. So 2 square minus x square. So using the formula root of a square minus x square dx, which is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Here x is x and a is 2. So area of the required ellipse is 4 into integral of 0 to 2 y dx. So which is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 integral of 0 to 2 root of a square minus x square, that is 2 square minus x square into dx. So cancelling 2 and 4. So 2 into 3 we get 6. Root of a square minus x square dx, which is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. So I have to write this as 6 into x by 2 root of 2 square minus x square plus a square by 2. A square is 4. So 4 by 2 sine inverse of x by 2, and the limit is from 0 to 2. So cancelling 2 and 4, we get 2 times of sine inverse of x by 2, which is equal to 6. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 2. Substituting in x. So 2 by 2, which is 1. 1 into 2 square minus 2 square, which is 0. So 0 plus 2 into sine inverse of upper limit is 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. So sine inverse of 1 minus lower limit. So 0 into something 0 plus 2 into sine inverse of 0. So sine inverse of sine 0, which is 0. So 0 plus 0. So which is equal to 6 into 2, 12. Sine inverse of sine 1 is sine pi by 2. So sine inverse of sine pi by 2, which is pi by 2. So 12 into pi by 2 Cancelling 12 and 2, we get 6, which is equal to 6 pi square units. So area of the required ellipse is 6 pi square units. Sixth one, find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis. Line x is equal to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square equal to 4. Here x square plus y square, which is equal to 4, which represents a circle whose center is at 0, 0. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, which is equal to r square. So x minus, here center is 0, 0 and radius is r square is 4, so r is 2. So center is 0, 0 and radius is 2. And the line x is equal to root 3y passing through the origin 0, 0. So here a dash, which represents the line x is equal to root 3y, which passing through the origin 0, 0. Now we have to find the slope of this. So x is equal to root 3 into y. So root 3 into y, which is equal to x. So we can write y equal to 1 by root 3 into x. So which is in the form of y equal to mx plus c, which is the slope intercept form which we learnt in 11th standard. So m equal to tan theta. Here m is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, which is equal to tan theta. So theta equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 3, which is pi by 6. Here slope is 30 degree or pi by 6. So drop a perpendicular from this. The point is B. Here this is C. So the radius of this is 2. So 2, 0. And the origin is 0, 0. So we have to find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis, the line and the circle. So we have to find the area of this part. So before that we have to find the point of intersection. So solving the equations of a circle and the line. Here x is root 3y, so we can write y is x by root 3. Substituting y equal to x by root 3 in circle. So x square plus x square by 3, which is equal to 4. So taking LCM, 3x square plus x square, which is 4x square by 3, which is equal to 4. So x square equal to 3 by 4 into 4, cancelling 4, x square equal to 3. So x is equal to plus or minus root 3. So when x is plus or minus root 3, so y equal to root 3 by root 3, which is 1. So y equal to 1. So when x is plus root 3. So the point of intersection is root 3, 1. So root 3, 1. So this point. So dropping this perpendicular, we write this point as root 3, 0. So this point is root 3, 0. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region. We have to find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the line and the circle. So here the area of AOB, which is the line, plus area of ABC, which is the circle. So integral of y dx, which is line. So the coordinates are 0, 0 and root 3, 0. So the x coordinate are 0 to root 3. So the limit is from 0 to root 3, y into dx line, plus integral of y dx circle. So from B to C. So root 3 to 2. So root 3, 2. And the line given as x is equal to root 3 y. So y equal to 1 by root 3 of x. So I can write this as 0 to root 3, 1 by root 3 of x into dx, plus the limit is from root 3 to 2, integral of the circle is given as x square plus y square equal to 4. So y square equal to 4 minus x square. So y equal to root of 2 square minus x square. So writing this as 2 square minus x square dx. So integrating this x dx is using the formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 1 by root 3 into x power 2 by 2, limit is from 0 to root 3, plus, so this is using the integrals of type root of a square minus x square, which is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2. A square is 4, so 4 by 2 sine inverse of x by 2. So limit is from root 3 to 2. So upper limit minus lower limit 1 by root 3. Here x is root 3 whole square. So root 3 whole square is 3. So 3 by 2. Lower limit is 0. So 0. 1 by root 3. 3 by 2 minus 0. Plus here it is upper limit is 2 and lower limit is root 3. So upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 by 2, which is 1, and 2 square minus 2 square. So which is 0. So 0 plus cancelling this we get 2. So 2 times of sine inverse of 2 by 2 is 1 minus lower limit. Lower limit is we have root 3. So root 3 by 2 square root of 2 square minus root 3 whole square, that is 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3, plus 2 into sine inverse of root 3 by 2. So which is equal to 3 by 2 root 3 plus 2 into sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So 2 into pi by 2 minus root 3 by 2, 4 minus 3, so root 1, which is 1, plus 2 into sine inverse of sine pi by 3, so 2 into pi by 3. So which is equal to 3 by 2 root 3 plus 2 and 2 will get cancelled, pi minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3. So taking LCM, pi minus 2 pi by 3. So 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3, which is pi by 3. So which is equal to 3 by 2 root 3 minus root 3 by 2. So plus pi by 3. Taking LCM for this into root 3. So we get 3 minus 3 by 2 root 3 plus pi by 3. So this will become 0. So this will become 0. So which is equal to pi by 3 square units. So required area is pi by 3 square units.